Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magdinilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng awan ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. Mga kapatid, isa po sa mga nakakalungkot na realidad sa panahon natin ngayon ay pataasan po tayo ng pader. Yung pader po ay hindi lamang po indicator ng boundary, but it has also become an indicator of I don't care about you. And sometimes it also leads us to sense of hating each other, that I do not care about you. And sometimes we put walls against other people because we do not like them, because they are different from us, because we feel they don't belong to us and with our group. Kaya po nakakalungkot na lumalaganap yung hate culture na kapag salungat, kapag hindi ayon sa atin, hindi ayos sa atin, gagawa tayo ng walls. Gagawa tayo ng pader na magpapalayo yung kapwa-tao natin ngayon. Ito yung karanasan ng isang kitonging sa ating ebanghelyo ngayon. Imagine yung panahon na ito, ang ketong ay wala pang gamot, at ang ketong ay kinukonsider din na nakakahawa at ito ay punishment from God. And so, lepers in this time were actually secluded, were separated from their loved ones and from their communities. What a miserable life to suffer in this kind of sickness. But here in this miserable and hopeless situation of this leper, he courageously approached the Lord and asked the Lord to make him clean. And see, he begged the Lord, Lord, if you wish, you can make me clean. It's actually an expression of not only desperation, but also of trust that in this time, only the Lord can heal him, can make him whole again. And so Jesus, without any hesitation, stretched out his arms and touched him. This is very admirable because in this time, walang gagawa nito. But Jesus really broke the walls, the barriers of how people in this time saw leprosy, this kind of sickness. And the Lord stretched out his arms and touched the man and healed him. And what is the message now of this gospel passage? First and foremost, the Lord is reminding us that He is the divine healer, that there is nothing impossible in the Lord. The Lord can heal any kinds of sickness. We simply have to trust and believe in Him, gaya ng ginawa ng kitongin sa ating ebanghelyo ngayon. Pangalawa, si Jesus broke down the barriers, the walls that separates the sick and the well. So here, ayaw ng Diyos ng separation, ng discrimination. He treats us all equally. There is no partiality in the Lord. So we have to imitate God, that we are one and we should treat each other equally. At panghuli, napakahalaga ng pananampalataya. See the kitonging, the leper, approached the Lord not only because of desperation, but because he believed. He believed in Jesus. He believed in our Lord, that He is the only one who could heal him in his sickness. So everything becomes possible once we believe in God. Let us believe in God, especially in times we feel we are in the verge of hopelessness. Let us courageously and in faith approach the Lord and ask Him, make us whole again. And for sure, He will heal us totally. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-like, i-share at mag-subscribe sa Salitawa Facebook page and YouTube channel. Muli isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.